Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're focused on how to make money online with email marketing. But before we jump into this discussion, I want to show you a picture and then I want to ask you a question, and I'm going to need you to answer it in the comments below. So here's the picture, and as you can see, I've broken it up very easily for you to answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D, tell me where you think the money is in this funnel. Just simply put an A, B, C, or D in the comments below, and then we'll move right along. And I'll give you what I think the answer is and show you exactly how to start making money online with email marketing. So let's get this A, B, C, and D out of the way real quick, and we'll jump back into Funnelytics. You can see right here, when I'm talking about A, I'm talking about Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. This could really be any traffic source. It doesn't have to be these social medias. I just put there because they're the most commonly ones used. Specifically, Facebook and YouTube are probably the biggest, especially when you're talking about free traffic. Twitter, depending upon the niche, as well as Pinterest, very niche specific to get traffic over to your opt-in. And in this case, we're talking about making money with email marketing online. We're really talking about using opt-in forms for some type of free offer or ethical bribe, some way to get people on your list. So you're going to get traffic from those sources or other sources. They're going to hit your opt-in. Then you're going to add them to your email list. And on your email list, here's the key, and this is the reason that I'm going to say that email, and that was number D right here. Email, letter D, is the answer. The money is in the follow-up with your email list, and it is the way to make money online with email marketing. So now that you have the answer, I know you're ready to bounce off this video, but don't, because here's the thing. Everything in this picture right here that you see in my Funnelytics account is important, but I want to make sure that I impart on you the importance of the email list and the importance of each step and why each step is important and the most important thing to focus on at each step. So let's talk about traffic, and traffic, of course, is the thing that you're going to focus on to get people over to your opt-in page. But let's just put that aside for right now and not really worry about all the different types of traffic sources, and just assume for a fact that we have a good traffic source that we've really niched down and we found our target audience. We found the people with a problem that really need our solution, and we're going in there, we're providing value. For example, if we're using Facebook for free traffic, we found a great set of groups, or we've created our own group and we've really provided value, and we're really bringing a lot of high quality targeted traffic into that group, and that traffic is coming over from Facebook to our opt-in page. Now, this is where you need to focus, and you need to focus on what's important. The people that are important, or the thing that is important, is the people that come over from your traffic source, which in this case, in this example, we said Facebook, over to our opt-in page. We need to focus on those people and making sure that we're providing them the most relevant information and the most targeted opt-in page that we can come up with, to make sure that when they hit our opt-in page from our Facebook group, that we've brought them over, and we're going to make sure they understand exactly what it is they're getting by giving us their email address. Let me show you a few examples. So here's a great example from over at instapage.com, and they show this one from Brian Dean. It says, want 25,000 visitors per month? It's possible, I'll show you how. And then he says, enter your email to get my step-to-step guide for 25,000 visitors per month. This would be great if your Facebook group was focused on, let's say, blogging, and 25,000 visitors was assumed to be blogging. You might want to add that into the headline here. But again, it could be assumed. And of course, when you're talking about Brian Dean, he's already well known for SEO. So most people are going to assume and understand that 25,000 visitors is going to be for blogging, but it could simply also be for YouTube. Again, your traffic has already been targeted. So focus on the people that enter their email address here. Don't focus on the people that didn't. And that's key. The key here is to focus on what's important, and the people that are moving to the next step, the next stage in your marketing process, are the people that are important. Only worry about the people that are following along, that are moving forward with you, and focus on them. Don't worry about the people that don't follow along, that don't move forward with you, because you can't control them. So let's stay focused. The next example here, and this is a really good one from Ryan Deiss at Digital Marketer, and I found this over at swipe.co. How to sell 100 books a day. Read this free report, How to Sell 100 Books a Day on Amazon Kindle. This is perfect. Let's say you have a group on Facebook and you're talking about self-publishing, and one of the things that you've been focused on is how to really dive into publishing with Amazon Kindle. This is going to be a great headline. So when you post this in your group, people are going to read this and they're going to click over to this link and they're going to be like, man, I need this free report on how to sell 100 books a day on Kindle because it's exactly what I want to do. They're going to enter their email address. Now, here is where the key comes in, and this is why I said D, which is the email list, is the most important thing you need to focus on to make money online. And again, remember, we're focused on the people that make it over to our email list, not the people that don't. This is an important thing that you need to get clear in your mind, and for a lot of people, to include me when I first started, I couldn't let this go. I was worried about the numbers of people that weren't going onto my email list versus the people that were on my email list. For example, right here, you're on my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you watching this video and taking in the knowledge here, but guess what? To me, you're more important when you're over on my email list, because then you're getting correspondence from me. You're getting my thoughts daily to your email inbox, and we're having that conversation, and you can instantly reply to me, and I can instantly reply to you, and that's a one-on-one conversation that me and you, we don't get that here on YouTube. So again, follow up and email addresses and building an email list that you follow up with one-on-one is the most valuable asset in my opinion, and that's where the money is in that picture. And of course that picture is right here. We're talking about right now, we're making sure that our opt-in page is highly relevant to our traffic source, meaning when they land on our opt-in page that they know exactly what they're going to get. For example, Ryan Deiss tells them, you're going to get a report on how to sell 100 books a day on Amazon Kindle. Brian Dean told them, you want 25,000 visitors a month? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Boom, they're going to get an email address right there. So again, we're right here, we're on this opt-in page, and now I probably know what you're thinking. How can I come up with a good opt-in page like Brian Dean and Ryan Deiss? Well, it is a challenge, but I'm going to help you solve that challenge here today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some high quality squeeze pages that I know convert because I use them and they convert. And I don't really want to say a number because people get hung up on this number, but they convert anywhere in the 30 to 40% range, depending upon the traffic source and depending upon if you take the advice of what you just saw from Brian Dean and Ryan Deiss and you adjust these squeeze pages to make them targeted to your audience. So let me show you those real quick. So here is an example of one for recurring income strategies. And you can see right here, it starts off really great, available only for a limited time. Uncover the top recurring revenue methods that you can start today. Learn more now. Download your free copy of this special report. So again, if you have a group and they're built around recurring income strategies, passive income, if you will, then you're going to be able to utilize this report. Now you might want to tweak this and say something like uncover my top 3 recurring revenue methods to make sure that people are really focused in on getting something that they don't already have versus just a general report on the top. But say my top 3, or I'm going to let you in on a secret of the top 3 that I use, something like that, to really make it drive home again, to make sure that the people that come over from A, which is your traffic, over to your opt-in, B, are making it over to your email list, D, which then gives them over to the sales page, which at the end of the day is how you're going to make money online. But we're focused on what's important, and what's important here is, in my opinion, is D, getting them on your email list, because the money is in the follow-up. But we need a combination of B and D at this stage. We really need to focus on these two and making them work together. Now let me hop over to Funnelytics and explain a little bit more how this is going to work together. So here we are in Funnelytics and we've got that traffic over to our opt-in page. Now we've got them to our email list. You can see here I have 3 emails here on the screen, but really this is, just exponentially going to grow. This is an email follow-up every day, every other day, depending on what you're comfortable with, and more importantly, what you train your list and how your list expects you to communicate with them. If it's daily, if it's twice a day, depending on what you have to say and how much they want to hear from you. And that gets into the quality of your emails and the content that you provide to your email list. And remember, this is a simplistic view here: opt-in page, email list to sales page. So the thing that you want to make sure that you do when you bring someone over from your traffic source to your opt-in page, you want to make sure that you give them a reason to go to their email. So for example, in this case, what we'll do is we'll have the opt-in go to our email, and then to get our free thing, we'll grab a download page and then we'll send them over to the download. So now at this point, what will happen, and these are the kind of things that you have to test and you have to make sure they work. But in general, this is going to be the best way to make sure that once someone lands on your opt-in page to get your report is to send them to their email inbox to make sure that they have to open their email, read your email, so they understand what it is you're providing to them in the form of the content, so they get to understand and know you. And then also they have to go there to open and click to get the free thing that they've requested from you. So now we're going to be sending those email contacts over to a download page as our first welcome email. Now, here's the thing, and you're thinking, well, that's great. You showed me squeeze pages that I can use, but I don't have it yet. Well, I'm going to show you how you can get it, and also how you can get the content that you can put in your email and put all this together and really focus on this most important thing, which is the email follow-up. And like I said, again, in my opinion, where the money is. So we get people to opt in, we get them to our first email, we get them over to our download. Once they download, they get their free report. Now the rest of the emails, the follow-up is going to be like this over to our offer, our sales page, our affiliate offers, our own product, whatever the case may be. More content, it doesn't always have to be a pitch. I personally like to put a link in every email, whether it's to a product, an affiliate product, a paid promotion, my own product, or back to my YouTube channel, to my blog, to my Facebook group. But I always want to give my email an action, and sometimes that action can be a reply, but typically I like the action of clicking on a link to make sure that everyone understands when they get my email there's going to be something to do, and that's going to be clicking on a link. Again, the money is in the email list, it's in the follow-up in the email list, it's in the relationship that you build with your email list, and it's in the understanding of what your emails are about and the value that you're providing in your email, being the content in the email, but also the link which leads them to a solution to their problem. And that's the entire reason they're on your list. Your niche, your audience has a problem, you're providing solutions via your email, via your content, via the links in your email. All this adds up to exactly what builds the value of your email list. And the reason your audience is following you, because they're getting to like you, to know you, and trust you in that one-on-one conversation inside their email inbox. Now, let me show you exactly how you can get these free opt-in squeeze pages that I got for you, as well as get some great content for these emails that you're going to be providing to your audience now that you understand that the money is in the follow-up with your email list. And I'm going to show you that by giving you an example of one of the emails that is done for you that you can get access to, which would be the first email that you see right here. So traffic source, in our example, Facebook to opt-in page to our first email over to our download. Let me show you an example right here. This is a welcome email for a free offer. And you can see the subject line right here, and you can see how it starts in. You're in. We'll get to your access details in just a second. Just a few quick things first. You can see right here, you're building rapport. You're letting your audience know, hey, here are the things that I would like you to do, and then I'm going to get you down to exactly what you got here for. Reply to this email. Tell me what led you here. I'll personally respond. Again, email list, email follow-up. When I send you an email and you respond to me, that's me responding to you one-on-one. That's a private conversation. Step 2, not sure if you took a look at this. Here's an option to get them straight over to the upsell or to the sales link. And then step 3, explain exactly what's going to be happening now that they're on their email list. I'm going to be sending you emails. I'll have tips, tricks, all that jazz when it comes to insert your niche in a fun way. Again, this is a template that you can use, that you can put in your own voice. And you can modify, and you're off to the races. Boom, boom, boom. Thanks for reading. Talk to you soon. Nice little PS in here. Please don't let the fact that this is free make you think it lacks value. I promise you this is better than most paid offers. You're reinforcing the fact, don't let this slip through your fingers. Just because it's free, you really don't have to pay attention, but most people do. But understand that you have this opportunity. Don't miss out on it. That's what this Done For You monthly marketing email series can do for you. And there'll be a link in the description where you can pop over to the sales page for this, and you'll see that sales page right here, Done For You, monthly marketing emails. You're going to see a video here with the 3 glaring problems with email marketing, and Philip Lopez that you see right here is going to explain those problems, and you're going to see right here the solution and why you should even care about this and how to actually impact your list building by creating high quality content in your email follow-up again, and that's where the money is. Also, on another note, this does come with a Facebook group. You can see right here, Phil's face again. DFY monthly marketing emails. I'm in this group, so I'll be there. You can go ahead when you join. Done for you monthly marketing emails. I'll be in the group, also help you along. Just another way that we can keep having this conversation. Of course, when you're on my email list, you are important to me. And when you reply to my email, I reply directly back to you. So don't forget that. Of course, there's a link in the description where you can sign up to my email list and also find out about the best way to build a recurring income and your own online business. So check that out as well. So now let me reinforce what we've been talking about here. We were talking about getting traffic to an opt-in page, getting that over to an email list, and we already covered that the email list is the place where the money is, and the money is in the follow-up with the people that make it to your email list. Again, focus on what I just said there, with the people that make it to your email list, because the people that make it to your email list are your tribe. That is your audience. That's where you should put your focus and provide your best content to the people that want to be on your email list. Again, don't worry about the people that don't make it. They'll get there someday when they figure it out, and if not, then just keep moving forward with what you got and who you got, and you're going to do great. Before you leave, I also want to make sure to remind you that you're going to get that free squeeze page, and not just a free squeeze page, but inside that, it comes with the squeeze page that you saw right there. This squeeze page is just one of many. It also comes with a free report and a Word doc that you can edit. And also it comes with more emails that you can use in your follow-up series to go along with the Done For You marketing emails in that monthly membership. The link is in the description. Of course, all the links are in the description to everything I talk about. And let me show you now. This is what I'm talking about giving you right here. Automated list profits for as long as you are a member of the Done For You monthly marketing emails club. You'll get two of these monthly list packs every month. To include that one right there, recurring income strategies. You can see here green living strategies. There's some arthritis stuff in here. YouTube quick start, skincare tips, nutrition tips. You move down here, dating tips. You can see right here that these are high quality lead magnets to include the squeeze page that you can use, and you can edit and tweak to make sure that when you're focused in on this opt-in page, that you're doing the best you can to make sure that you're getting the most people over to your email list. And again, the most people that make it there are the most important to you as well, because now they're in your email inbox and you're in their email inbox. You're building that rapport, you're building that relationship, and the money is in the follow-up and in your email list. So just think about that. Make sure you're building an email list. Click on the link in the description, pop over to Done For You monthly emails, check out those 3 glaring problems from Philip Lopez and how he's going to help you. And I think that you see how valuable this is going to be to make sure that the time you're spending with getting traffic over to your opt-in page, making sure your opt-in page is focused, and then focus on the people that get over to your email list, you're going to see a vast improvement in everything you're trying to accomplish in your business. And that's exactly why me and you are here, to make sure you're getting some good information, you're building that business, and it's taking you where you need to be. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the videos you see here on the end screen, click those. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.